Hello. I am Bake Bihari, faculty at Edukemy. Once your prelims exam is done and dusted, you have to get ready for another round of testing by UPSC. That is mains examination. Here, your marks will depend on your ability to articulate the answers within a given time limit and within a given word limit. Trust me, this is a different ball game. Even if you got, say, first rank in your district level essay writing competition when you were in class 9th, or if you got, say, 100 marks in social science examination in class 9th, 10th, or maybe in 12th, even then, this cracking this stage requires lots and lots of practice to ensure that your mind and your hand is in sync. Means your hand is quickly writing whatever your mind is articulating. And trust me, this is the easiest part, because you also need to get trained to understand demand of the question. कि question क्या है और उसका मतलब क्या है, क्या लिखना है. It happens not very infrequently कि हम एग्जाम से लिख के आते हैं, लगता है कि बहुत अच्छे से लिख दिए, and then we realize कि we have written something else. Okay, so it's very important to understand demand of the question, and this also comes with practice, with alertness. And above all these things, you need to consolidate your content. Till now you have been reading from various sources, but now that you are going to write mains examination, you have to learn to consolidate it in given word limit. And then how to interlink these topics. Means how to link, say there is a question on economy, but at the same time that question also has relation with, say, gender related issues. Okay, maybe that question also has linkage with some internal security related issues like Manipur crisis and its implications. So how to do this interlinking? And then next stage is value addition, right? Like how to add value to your core content using, say, case studies, examples, data, and all these things should be fresh. Fresh means when you are writing examination in 2024, your answer should reflect that answer has been written in 2024. Data you are using, examples you are using, case you are using should be as far as possible from these few months, okay, or the latest ones. How you will ensure that? So for all these things, we have a solution. Okay, so mains support program of Edukemy is to help you in doing all these things and acing prelims examination. While almost any test series gives you questions to write answers and give some feedbacks, Edukemy's mains support program goes beyond that. It tries to ensure that you actually write tests and you actually get prepared for the test and come write test, because our experience suggests that more than 50% of the aspirants who register for mains test series do not actually write all the tests. Okay, so maybe some people write initial few tests and then discontinue. Some people, though, they do not write even first test. Okay, some do come for writing test and then write, say, 8-9 questions or 15 questions out of 20. So Edukemy's program is designed in such a way that it will almost compel you to write all the tests and will also empower you to write that. Mains support program of Edukemy is designed to reverse this trend. That is, to make students write exam. How? See, what are the features? These are the basic features which is unique to the Edukemy, to our approach to mains preparation. One is content enrichment sessions before every sectional test. Okay, so before every sectional test, you shall have content enrichment sessions. In these content enrichment sessions, you will revise whatever you have read till now Okay, so faculty will help you move through all the topics, the current updates, so that you have the content, you have the interlinkages with you. Okay, so this is one. Second is practice test. Again, before every sectional test, you will be writing practice test. The questions in the practice test will be predominantly from the previous year questions. So you will be writing previous year questions, you will be learning to read the language of UPSC. Okay, you will understand demand of the question. You will also see what kind of themes UPSC is targeting, and all these things you will be doing even before you are writing your first test. And then you will be writing 7 questions in 1 hour once in a week. Okay, that we call it as 1 hour exam simulation test. And then you will write test on the designated. That means before every sectional test, you will have one content enrichment session, another practice session where you will be writing answers of PYQs. In 1 hour, you will be writing 7 answers. Why? Because in a real exam, you have to write 20 questions in 3 hours. Okay, so we will be putting you through that little stress test. Okay, that will help you prepare for the sectional test. Okay, so in that way, your fear of writing the test, your procrastination, ये सब चीज जो है वो गायब हो जाएगा, ये सब चीज दूर हो जाएगा. You will feel empowered कि हाँ content पता है, interlinking पता है. Okay, and then you will write the test. And then in addition to all these things, you will be given a list of data, list of case, okay, which will help you gain that extra half an marks here and there. And this marks will make a big difference in the real exam. When you want to discuss your answer, when you want to discuss the evaluated copies, you will have one-to-one session. So if you want to discuss it, you can just come to center, or you can book your appointment, and then you can discuss with our mentors one-to-one. They will pinpoint the problems which you are facing. Okay, that is, they will help you craft your own tailor-made solution. Okay, कोई one size fit all solution type का नहीं है. ठीक है, आपका जो problem है उसको identify करके will help you enrich your own answer, and then they will help you get more score. Okay, so that is whole idea. So come join Edukemy's Mains Support Program. Multiply your chances. Okay, all the best.